Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily crop or cut out photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Photoshop application, and after we have this application opened, we can choose a photo we want to cut out. For example, I'm gonna go with this photo. So we can tap on the photo, and then we can go to the background option. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find this background option. Click on this background, then you have to choose actions right here. And here you just need to select remove. And this is the result, guys. As you can see that the photo has been cropped. Alright guys, and that's how we can cut out or crop photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.